Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. Last week in class we tackled the always tricky topic of the climate crisis. In one of my groups, some students got into quite a heated discussion about whether or not electric cars were a good thing. The argument basically revolved around the idea that the way in which the electricity is produced might be as bad for the environment as continuing to burn fossil fuels. At one point, one student almost lost their temper and slammed their fist down on the table saying, "Listen, it doesn't matter. In the end, oil and gas are going to run out. They're finite resources. They're not going to be here forever. We have to pivot at some point, and sooner is better than later. No two ways about it." We often add this expression, "no two ways about it," or "there's no two ways about it," to emphasize that something is true, to show that we think there's no doubt about something. In the same way, you might hear someone say, yeah, he had his first heart attack when he was 64, but luckily they operated on him and cleaned him up inside. Without that operation, he would have died. No two ways about it. In the same way, my daughter recently had a maths exam and she came home and I asked her how the test had been and she said, "Oh, it was really, really difficult. Everyone was saying how difficult it was. It was tough. No two ways about it." If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up signal. It helps other people see the video. In the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of how you might use no two ways about it. And please do share the video and share our channel with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And thanks for watching.